Foggy morning. Woo-wee. I'm gonna meet up with Aaron in a bit. It's still pretty dark. I goes kayak loading area and waiting for the sun to rise a little bit. I'm just walking around, seeing how foggy it is, and it's pretty foggy. The drive here is pretty foggy too. Alright, back to another video. Today I'm at Santa Cruz with Aaron, and as I'm waiting for Aaron to return his wheels back to the car, which I kind of want to do the same, but I'm waiting and I'm like, man, I'm moving so much, and the tie change is not letting me be stable, so I'm just kinda waiting for Aaron, and sometimes I kind of think, man, that's pretty good to put your wheels in the car so you got more space, and if you fight a fish and it does go behind you, it's not gonna wrap around your wheels. But I think I'm too lazy to put it back into the car, come back, and then later on go back to the car and get it and come back. But I figure I usually just tie mine to the back. But here's the guy who catch all the big fish, all the big halibuts. This guy right here, he really know what he's doing. So if you do see him, follow him.
And you'd see the jack smell.
Oh, really?
I'm still not a firm believer of the jack smell catching big fish. I don't know why. I can't put on fish when I put a jack smell on the bottom. That's crazy. All the time. Oh shit.
We were talking about how awesome the morning is when you go kayak fishing. The sunrise early in the morning, flat calm water, it's just beautiful. And I don't think a lot of people or enough people get to enjoy this view, this kind of enjoyment than kayakers and fishermen out in the ocean. Because with the GoPro it makes it look a little bright, but on this next clip it's through the phone, it's more true to tone, accurate, and daylight brightness and stuff like that. But yeah, it's very relaxing, even if you don't catch any fish. Always great to go out early in the morning and watch the sunrise. Aaron bought me this live bait keeper, and he's been catching a lot of big fish off of live bait. Smelt, I don't think mackerel, but anchovies and stuff like that. And I'm not a big fan of bait fishing or live bait fishing, but even bait fishing also. But since I got it, I've been trying live bait, and still nothing much. A lot of scratches, a lot of rockfish eating my live bait. But on this trip, for some reason, if I just leave this beaky on the bottom without even touching it, just let it sit, it'll be full of anchovies. No smelt, no croaker, no mackerel. So it's still pretty fun catching a whole bunch of anchovies for live bait. So as we're kicking back, fishing around, and Aaron hooked up. He got on the lean cod. I'm over here catching little bait fish, and he's like, "Yep, fish on."
That's a nice blue.
Pretty much in my halibut grounds, the one where
Yeah.
you probably got marks out here too, huh?
Yeah, I got a whole bunch around this area. This is like one of the better spots I've been fishing from.
Yeah.
At Santa Cruz.
Yeah, I was hoping you catch some live bait, dang it.
I haven't seen any smell. All I see is the little markers, which are all anchovies.
Yeah.
So at this point, I have already got a rockfish and
Oh,
a lane
shit.
caught on the board, and I can't use my sabiki
Finally
anymore
found them, huh?
because that would be more than 2 hooks, and
Got it.
even though there were a lot of good baits, I can't use my sabiki.
That's so cool. Oh. Oh. I just lost it. I think there's a halibut. Oh. Should have yanked on it. Oh, that suck. Alright, I got it now. Hooked it up now. Oh, I let go? What the heck? How did I let go? It bit it in half. Bruh, that's all chewed up. Bruh, that's gonna be a big old halibut. It bit it in half. What the hell? Oh man, that sucks. Ugh. At least it's in there. It's in here, so I'm gonna play with it. Let it swallow it. Poopy. Probably just let it swallow it first and then pull it.
I think I scared it away because I went a couple circles and no bites.
Small lingcod, maybe barely legal. That's a start. I gotta record you. I'm snagged. I better not be snagging close to you. I need to get out of your way. Crap. Wrong place, wrong time to get a snag. I'm gonna go in front of you so I don't tangled up with you. I don't want you to lose your fish because of me. Come on, snag.
Let go.
Did it?
Yeah, it must have been a leak back. Never got hooked.
Hitchhiker.
Yeah. I don't know.
Any bites? Teeth bites on it?
So here's the thing. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't.
Not sure.
I don't see.
Lean cod or a halibut? But if it was a halibut, you think it would swallow, right?
Yeah, halibut will swallow it. It'll get ripped up.
That's why they're hanging around.
The seagulls, they love Aaron. Every time we go out and fish, they're always around him. He keeps on feeding them. So if I'm far away and I don't know where Aaron's at, I just have to look for seagulls following a kayaker. Very rarely I'll get maybe one seagull or another seagull come by to scare that seagull off, but Aaron, he got a lot of fishing friends with him. A whole bunch of seagulls. It's always good to have a good fishing friend with you. Somebody who knows how to kayak, knows how to read the conditions, have a shark shield, and pretty good on the water. So have somebody who you could rely on and trust. And then the wind got crazy, the water got crazy, and we kind of head in after this.
A worm. Not too bad. It's not small, but it's not big. But it's a good eater. Spin.
Pretty big.
Yeah. As long as it keep on producing, I don't mind staying.
Know the condition, get ready for condition changes, and because the condition will change from fog to clear to like today, it got pretty windy, pretty choppy, and pretty much like a washing machine too. So we didn't stay out for too long. It looks nice and calm on the video, but it turned pretty much just like that, and we got off the water. It just wasn't safe, so dress like you're gonna fall in the water and have safety gears to get yourself back.